In this video, we are going to be talking about how to replace the mouse feet, or just feet, whatever you call it, for a MacBook Pro. And what I have here is a 2015 mid 15-inch MacBook Pro. And you see they all fell off. Now, the interesting thing with these is they do have a little peg that sits inside here. This one you can see kind of fell off and went inside. These are still in there. But one way you can do it is just peel these off and peel new ones on, which I got brand new ones here. I just got them off Amazon. They're just generic replacement feet. And you actually get two sets, because there's obviously 8 of them here. And they just peel and they literally stick on in place. As you can see, they're pretty much the same diameter, but they are thicker. So just be prepared for that. You can kind of see how much thicker they are, because these are not official Apple replacement. I don't know if you can get the same exact ones from Apple, but this is a cheap, easy method, because let's face it, if you get to this point, your computer's probably older and probably not as worried about it. So anyway, you can just peel these off and stick them on in place, but I'm kind of like OCD and I don't like these little things remaining there. So I'm going to pull this back cover off. And for that, I got this special little kit here because although these screws look like they're your standard Torx, they are not your standard Torx. Torx is a 6-sided star. These are actually 5-sided, so it's called a pentalobe, I believe. And it's actually the 1.2 or P5 pentalobe sided by this special set, which, again, I will link to down in the description below. Amazon link for these replacement feet, as well as for this if you want to go this far. So let me pull this back cover off. I mean, you really don't need to watch me do this part, because if you've ever unscrewed a screw, then you've done that. But man, this is so nice. When I originally got that Torx, and I'm like, why is this not fitting? I just could not figure it out. Okay, so with this cover off now, I'm just going to take this same thing and just kind of okay, so I took that one. Actually, these are kind of stickers that hold it in place. So you know what? I'm not going to worry about that. In fact, just scrap taking this whole thing off. You don't need to. Okay, so I have put the cover back on. I guess the big point of this video was, if you see these and you're like me and you little OCD and like, oh, I don't want to leave these loose. As you saw, there's a sticker behind there. Do not worry about those. But you still do want to clean up the residue from the old feet, which is what I've already done. And then just stick these directly on. Then they do fit in the little indented spots perfectly, so no issues there. Let's make sure they're on there secure. Oh, and there we go. No more rocking, no more anything. It's actually got a good grip. Now, it is obviously sitting a little bit higher, because obviously, again, these new ones are way thicker than these. But honestly, that's okay. So, yeah, if you need to replace these little pads, this works perfect. The only downside is you can't just replace one. If you only got one fell off, you're going to have to replace all of them, because of the height difference. If you only replaced one, it's going to do some rocking. So, yeah, I hope this video helped. Really not much to it. Again, really, it just answered OCD question about the remnants of the old ones. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's learn something new today.